Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am excited to be stopping by with a video for the Not Too Shabby um, hop. We're going to have designers showing both the stamp and die of the month, the box of the month, and maybe some people like me will use the paper pad club of the month for November 2022. In the description box below and in my title is a hashtag. Go ahead and click on that, and that'll bring up everyone's videos so you can see all the inspiration. I know it's going to be amazing. And this also has a prize to win. All the information is in the description box below because I always get tongue-tied when I try to say it. Basically, you hop around, you leave comments, you like and subscribe if you like what you see, and then you enter the raffle copter, and then the winner will be posted on the Not Too Shabby shop channel. For my project today, I did use this paper pad from the Paper Pad Club for this month, November 2022, the Winter Blues. It is gorgeous. Love it, love it. This was the other one that came with it. Who doesn't love a polka dot? Love that as well. And then I'm sharing inspiration using the stamp and die for November 2022. This is called Winter Vibes, and it is oh so cute. Fun snowmen, fun sentiments, let it snow, cozy winter vibes, warm wishes, merry everything. And then I did get the dies to go with it. I like that they cut out like in between here, and they cut out the sentiments. For my card, I did a technique that I learned or was shown in a online card class that I took. I think it was in maybe May of 2020, and I've never used that technique since. So I thought it would be fun to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put my process up here, and I'll come back in a minute and show the finished card. Okay, to start with, I have a top fold A2 card base, and I already cut out that panel with a stitched rectangle die. Thinking back, I probably should have used liquid adhesive on this, but this worked. Now I'm just going to pick out the die that I'm going to use and the stamp. So I'm positioning that. One thing, definitely figure out which direction your die is going to go so that it'll work out when you finish the card. Using some removable tape to put that in place where I want it. And then I'm going to run it through my machine, die cut that out. Make sure you only do that one side, not the whole card. So then your image will fit perfectly. And then I decided, since I do have the dies for the sentiment, I wanted to use a sentiment on this card as well with the same technique. So I decided on that one. Again, make sure you get your die in the right direction so that it will show through perfectly. So I got that figured out. I adhere it again, run it through my die cut machine here in a second. And then when you come back, you can stamp and color your images and stamp your sentiment, and then they'll fit perfectly. The easiest way I found to do this is to flip it upside down, put them in place, add the glue to it, and then close the card, and they'll be right in place, right where you need them to be. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so here is the finished card. When you just look at it, it looks like it would be normal, and then you open it up and you have that image and that sentiment on the inside. It's a quick and easy card. It's an easy technique, but it does give that little wow factor because you don't really expect it to stay there. I thought it was just so fun, and like I said, it's super easy. I hope to use it again because I really did enjoy making this. But warm wishes, and it has those two snowmen there. I did add some stickles to the snow on the top of the fences there. So fun and so cute and so easy. So if you try this, I hope that you'll let me know so that I can take a look at it, because I mean, you could just do the sentiment, you could just do the snowman, you could change the placement of it. in the class, they used like some smaller images and it was just down in the corner. Really, really cool. Like I said, just kind of adds a little something, something to your cards. So that is my project for today. I will be back soon with more inspiration with this fun stamp and die of the month. I also just got the box of the month, which is amazing. If you don't have that, make sure you run on over and swoop that up if it's not already sold out. And the Paper Pad Club, those are just perfect for, I mean, the dots for winter you could use actually anytime, but this paper pad is just so, so pretty. I mean, you can't beat those patterns and colors. So many possibilities. All right, make sure you hop around, see everyone's inspiration, and I'll see you soon. Go do something crafty. Have an amazing day.